Hey guys, Simon from Australian Car Audio. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the package content and what's inside the box of the Opsis Stinger Dashcam 2K Quad HD model. We did do a previous video looking at the package content of the full HD model. I will leave a link to that in the description below if you want to check out that video. All right, so the first thing, we'll just quickly look at the box and some of the features. There aren't a lot of different features from the Quad HD to the Full HD. The main features that are different are the Quad HD model does have built-in GPS, while the Full HD model requires a GPS antenna attachment, which is sold separately. And then other than that, it's mostly the lens is a better quality on the Quad HD with a better camera sensor. Also has a slightly wider viewing angle with 140 degrees, while the Full HD is 135 degrees. They are really the main differences. But if you do want a more detailed breakdown of the specs, I will leave a link to incarsolutions.com.au where these cameras are available, and you can check out the specifications there. So this video is purely about looking at what comes inside the box. So we'll open it up and have a quick look. So here is the camera itself. It has an adjustable viewing angle lens there, which can rotate up and down to the desired angle. It does include a memory card, and it is inside the slot in case you're wondering, and it contains 32 gigabytes. You've got the power port there, as well as the input for the second camera. And you've got a few different options on the panel there, including a manual record button, microphone button, Wi-Fi, and so on there. The dash camera is app compatible as well, so do download the Opsis Stinger app. You've got the manual here, the very rare manual. Not many products come with manuals these days, but that's got everything you need to know in there. So you've got the 12-volt charger in here. This is the rear camera. Now the rear camera is still full high definition, while the front camera is the only 2K Quad HD in the set. So just keep that in mind. You've got some adhesives in here as well. This main one here is to mount the camera to the window. These ones here are purely for cable management from the rear camera to the front. And here you've got the second channel cable. So this is to connect the rear camera back into the front, and there's plenty of length there for you. This is another thing that doesn't come with the Full HD model. This is a CPL filter, which goes over the lens, and this will reduce the amount of glare and reflection you get without losing any video quality there. So that's a very important feature. It also comes with a little screen wipe there. It also includes all your memory transfer options. So it has a SD card where you can insert the micro SD into to go straight into an SD card slot. It also has a USB option. If you don't have a card reader on your computer, you can pop the micro SD card straight into here and plug that in via USB. So very handy accessories there. And then the final thing is the hardwire harness. So you can power the device rather than using your 12-volt, you can hardwire it straight to your vehicle. We do always recommend professional installation unless you know what you're doing with this. But this is very handy. A lot of other brands of dash cams will require you to buy this as an additional attachment. And it is an important feature when it comes to things like parking mode. And that is pretty much it. It's a very easy setup. All you need to do is scan the QR code, download the app for the appropriate phone that you're using, and the app will walk you through the setup process. And again, if you want more information about the specifications, Opsis Stinger dashcams are available from incarsolutions.com.au. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out all the more detailed specifications. And that is all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching.